What's up, guys? Daryl from Smart Shooters, and today I learned that I pissed a lot of people off with my video on why I sold all my Caniks and went back to Glock. And I don't care. They told me that my voice was super annoying. You don't make no more YouTube videos before I fix my teeth. Well, none of that bothers me. I'm cool. I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna keep making videos because y'all gonna keep watching them. Y'all support me. I'm gonna keep making what y'all wanna see. We gonna keep hitting on with the cricket teeth, and we usually gonna rock out how we rock out. Today, we about to jump into a real dope review, right? My last video, like I said, put the Canik people in the uproar, and they was like, you didn't even give, like, how do we know you gave Canik a fair shot? And I was like, that's fair. I recorded some Canik reviews. I never posted them. I just wasn't on my YouTube thing back then like I am now. So, Canik Mete SFX. That's what we jumping into. Now, the reason I'm reviewing the SFX, the Meta edition, or Mete, or however you say, I think it's Mete. But the reason I'm choosing to do that one is it's the newest one. I don't really have super full-size pistols. Like, I got a couple 1911s, my Ruger 5.7. But this has a 5.2-inch barrel. 18 plus 1 capacity, could go to 20 plus 1 capacity. I had to jump into this thing. I had to see what was to it. Regardless of if I ever made that last Canik video or not, this is the type of gun I want to review, right? And disclaimer, I am not one of this is not the influencer kit, all right? I am not one of those YouTube influencers that got those big nice kits with all the mag holsters and all the extra stuff that came with that. All right, I'm just a small YouTube guy who makes reviews because I'm a firearms instructor and my students love my perspective when it comes to weapons and things like that. So we gonna dive into this thing, man. We are going to see if this lives up to the hype, because there's a lot of hype about this. People are talking about running competitions with this. I still don't know how somebody could conceal carry a gun this big, but I tell you what, we gonna try. Well, here we go. Some superior firearms, huh? We gonna see. All right, let's talk about what it come with. So this is it. The Canik SFX Meta something. We're gonna jump into the manual so I can learn how to say it the right way. But it's basically the new and improved TP9 SFX. So, got a lot in this kit that definitely did not come with the last one. So I'm gonna jump into some of my favorite stuff first. So according to our manual, it's the Canik Mete SFX. We got our tool, we got our cleaning stuff. This, I think, was the coolest part of the whole case. So, they got a mini Mete SFX that actually is the tool to, like, take off my optics plate and everything, and all the screws and stuff that you need is on the inside. If I can slide that off here. Of the mag well. I thought that was pretty cool. It's even branded with the little Canik. But to that stuff we actually care about, quality assurance tag, the magazines. You got two 18-round magazines. Got your load assist. Got the flare mag well, we're gonna install that shortly. Got your optics plates in here. Trigger lock. Holster, which I gotta admit, the holsters are not bad that they come with. And then of course the actual gun. Gonna make sure that this is clear. Yeah, let's talk about the actual gun. So the actual gun, I think is beautiful. Just from a styling perspective, this gun looks great. Now this is the long slide version. The SFT is the version that stops about right here. This is the 5.2 inch barrel, ported slide, optics ready, but the optics, well, we'll get there, but they only take micro red dots, which is one of my gripes about the gun. This texturing is pretty aggressive here. The trigger is, I couldn't believe it, but even better than the last. Take up, there's the wall. Boom. Now watch this. Reset. That's dang near single action right there. It's crazy. Yeah, I can't wait to take this out on the range today. My general impressions, it looks great. It looks phenomenal. And is it worth the hype? We'll see. I mean, this costs about what a Glock 19 costs. So this costs what a new Glock 19, maybe a couple dollars more than that. But for that, you got all of this. You got the actual gun, which is super sweet. Your optics plates, 2 magazines, your magazine well. You got your tools, you got a holster, you got a load assist, cleaning stuff, back straps, and again, the coolest hardware tool that I've ever seen. I know the Taurus GX4 comes with a little keychain that's like the gun, but this actually has a practical use, and that is badass if you ask me my personal opinion. So I kind of already started talking through some of my gripes about this gun. But the biggest thing is really just that I can't put like a SRO or something on here. If I'm gonna use a Trijicon, you gotta do the CC joints. I'll probably throw a Holosun 507K. I think I got one upstairs, actually. Let me check, see if I got a 507. I think I got a spare one laying around. So it turns out I did have an extra 507 KX2. So I think I'm gonna do the first 100 rounds without it, and then we can install it on the range and go from there. So this is just my first thoughts. We'll get into the actual review on the range, so stay tuned for part 2. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. To all the Canik people in the world I pissed off in the last video, I'm not sorry. But this looks like it's gonna be pretty impressive, and I can't wait to get it out on the range. So until then, see y'all next time.